point guards. Isaiah Thomas was on Kevin Hart's Cold as Ball show and gave his list of Cold as Ball show. Yeah, I just said that. Gave his list of the best point guards in the NBA, and he went with himself at number 1. Steph Curry at 2, Kyrie at 3, Westbrook at 4, John Wall at 5. Lillard came in at 6. Talk to me, Stephen A. I have the list right here because I just ripped through that fast.
Well, first of all, Isaiah Thomas doesn't belong on the list. I respect him, and I feel like
not on the list at all.
Of course, he's going to put himself first.
He's not top 5, let alone top 1. And I respect Isaiah Thomas, and I want him to get paid because he's been robbed on too many occasions. But he's not a top 5 point guard. Steph, listen, we go from top to bottom. You can have a debate about Damian Lillard or John Wall. I would go to Damian Lillard, right, because he's big shot. Even though John Wall is efficient and he gets his over 9 assists per game, he would be at
You're going from 5 to 1.
That's right. I'm going from 5 to 1. I'd have Damian Lillard at 5. I'd have Kyrie Irving at 4. I'd have Russell Westbrook at 3. I'd have Chris Paul at number 2 because he's Mr. Efficiency extraordinaire. He's the quintessential, prototypical great point guard in today's game. But Steph Curry is just the greatest shooter that I've ever seen, averaging 26 a game on 17 shots a game. I got to put him number 1, Chris Paul number 2.
I'd say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Steph is 1. Harden 2. Like a lot of these guys are combo guards nowadays. But he is the primary ball handler a lot of the time. Steph, Harden, Westbrook 3, CP3 4, Kyrie 5. It is so gangster at point guard. Here are the guys who don't make the top 5. Ben Simmons, Damian Lillard, the Greek freak who handles the ball a lot, brings it up the floor. Kemba Walker, John Wall. That is a crazy position.
Just so you know, for clarification purposes, when I think point guard, being a basketball guy, I'm thinking about being an orchestrator, running a show. When I see James Harden handling the ball, even though he can pass, even though he can assist, he's usually handling the ball for himself, getting his shot off and dancing on somebody to be the
pure point guard.
I'm talking pure point guard.
Pure point guard. If you're just talking pure point guard in terms of those skills, CP3 could be number 1.
Exactly.
But I think
CP3 not even on his list.
But I think you have to factor in who's actually the better, more valuable overall player.
Time out. Isaiah Thomas. Am I correct? You say he didn't even have CP3 on his list?
No, he's got Steph Curry, Kyrie, Westbrook, John Wall, and Lillard. He doesn't have him or Harden.
Isaiah Thomas has no business talking basketball. If he does not have, he's a point guard that doesn't have Chris Paul on the list, that's ignorant.
All right, let me get this quick.